April 29th, 2019. Look at the ice that I scraped off the bucket. I've taken the seats out to get some sun. There you go. The onions are doing great. I'm sorry, these are shallots. The shallots are doing wonderfully. I amended the soil with some grounds, coffee grounds, used coffee grounds, I should say. But here's the garlic. Garlic is doing great. Also another bed full of garlic over there. Oh. And here's my newly planted strawberries. We had rain 3 days consecutively. The plants are doing well, I think. Got rain and a lot of water. I mean, a lot of wind. The mulch piles were covered. The rest of the beds are waiting for the seeds to be planted. I don't know if you remember the potato tower 2B. This was all the way up to here. It was like 3 feet high. The leaves and the mulch that I added last November, September, October, November, and it has, it's almost gone. All the mulch is ready for the potatoes. And here I have 4 buckets of carrots, 2 varieties of carrots. Since I can't have them in the house, there is no room. I have them outside 24 hours, and I cover them at night with this plastic tarp. So here are some more plants growing, getting some sun. Oh, there's Theosyraclis, Uncle Hercules, the Chicago Hardy fig tree that I named Uncle Hercules, Theosyraclis. And some other, these are the Marzano, San Marzano plants. Oh boy, look at this one. This is doing very well. What I will do later on, I will take them out of the container for the whole cup to get sun. And here's the good old faithful matrix, which houses potatoes. I have 25 pounds of potatoes. Excuse me, 50 pounds of potatoes. And they have been chitting. I have the potato is cold. Last night it was a very cold night. Look at this. You see the 2 different varieties in here, but I have them marked. These are the Yukon Gold. So they've been cheating. Here are the chits. And here's the the part that was connected to the mother plant. All right. So this is gonna go in here. It's gonna get some warmth today, and I have them covered because they like dark, moist, warm places. Keep cheating, keep cheating. And here is the last video before I go inside for the day. We have the black nebula, the carrots. Check that out. One seed sprouted. Houston, look at that. Oh, what a cutie. I gotta name that carrot. I gotta give it a name. All right, that's it, folks. I'm going in. Bye.